Precious, what are you doing? You love that box for some reason. Yeah. What are you looking at? What are you looking at, silly? Precious. Precious, are you okay? Are you okay? You're not talking? It's okay. You're looking up? What do you see up there? It's so interesting. Precious. What is it? Hi. Hi, sweet bird. Hi, sweet Precious. Are you okay? Are you okay? You're all right. I don't know why Precious is fascinated with the ceiling fan. The ceiling fan is not on. Precious. I don't know what he sees up there. Something. Precious. What is it? What is it, Precious? I've never seen you like that before. No. What's going on? All right, I'm going to figure out what's going on with Precious. Thanks for watching, everybody.